Hey guys, if your hard drive is not showing up during installation of Windows 10, now you can easily fix this problem. Just click on repair your computer and now just click on troubleshoot. Now click on command prompt and now here this part, hit enter. Now when this disk part is becomes visible on the command prompt screen, now write list disk. Okay, now you can easily recognize your disk, okay, with the size. Okay, so this is disk, your hard drive. Now just type select disk 0 because here disk 0 is being shown. Select disk 0. If you have inserted in a pen drive will also be visible here, but since we can easily recognize comparing the size, that okay, this is my hard drive. Now just type clean. Okay, just type clean and hit enter, and this command when completed will fix your problem. Now once this commands get completed, this clean command, now close the window and now continue.